Today we'll be installing Torklift rear camper tie downs, part number C3205 on a Chevy 2500. These tie downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for your slide-in camper. Starting off, remove the 2 bolts at the bottom of the frame. For short bed models such as this, remove the 2 bolts that attach the bumper bracket to the frame. These bolts will be reused. Loosening the bolt that connects the bracket to the bumper will ease installation. Slide the tie-down receiver bracket up into place between the bumper bracket and the frame. Reinstall the bolts previously removed. Torque down all the hardware. Repeat these steps to install the tie down on the other side of your truck. When ready to use, slide the insert into the receiver and secure with the 1/4-inch pin. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.